Are you looking for a solution to how to migrate Pop3 emails to Outlook.com in macOS? First of all, install and run Uncle Pop3 Backup Wizard. Select Pop3 from email source. Enter Pop3 account credentials. Now enter Pop3 host as pop.macuncle.com. If you don't know what is your Pop3 host and port number, then click on this question information icon. Then it will redirect to a website where you can check Pop3 details by adding email ID. Pop3 port number is 995 for most of the SSL-based mail services. Now click on Login. You can select desired folders for the conversion. Now, click on the drop-down menu of the Savings option, which shows you multiple saving file formats. Select Outlook as saving option. Enter Outlook.com account credentials. Now enter Outlook.com app password. If you don't know how to create an app password, check the video description. Now enter the created app password. Click on Filter option to get advanced feature of the software. This tool offers you many useful features to migrate specific emails by using filter options such as date range, to, from and subject. Click on checkbox button of Use selective export settings for email folders. If you want to convert only sent folder, then choose only export sent folder option. To skip email body content and its attachments, choose exclude exporting email body content and attachments. Now click on Start Email Backup button and proceed further. Now, click on Start Backup button to process the conversion. This tool previews the live conversion progress. After a complete conversion, you will get a pop-up message "Conversion completed successfully." Click on OK button. Trial version will allow you to convert only 25 emails from each folder. Now click on OK. Go to Outlook.com. The program kept the folder hierarchy intact. Converted emails. Thank you for watching the video.